Good morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to take an in-depth look at gallbladder surgery. If you enjoy our educational videos, click subscribe and click the notification bell. And special thanks to Carolina Surgery, as we'll be showcasing several minutes of their surgery in our video. Also, stick around because I'll show you several amazing gallstones at the very end of the video. The gallbladder is a pear-shaped, sac-like organ with a muscular wall that's about 3 to 6 inches long, located in the right upper side of the abdomen, under the liver. It is connected to the liver and intestine through small tubes called bile ducts. The primary purpose of the gallbladder is to store and concentrate bile, a greenish-brown fluid that's produced by the liver. Bile carries waste products out of the liver, but it is also needed to digest and absorb fatty foods, and to absorb important fat-soluble vitamins. Before we continue, please comment below if you've ever had gallstone issues, and what brought you to our video. Gallstones are solid concretions that form inside the gallbladder. Gallstones may be as small as tiny specks, or as large as the gallbladder itself. The vast majority, however, are smaller than 1 inch, and are one of 2 major types: cholesterol or pigment. Gallstone type is important since cholesterol stones are more likely to respond to non-surgical treatments than pigment stones. Cholesterol gallstones account for about 80% of gallstones in developed countries, including the United States. Pigment stones account for the remaining 20%. Cholecystectomy is a surgery that removes the gallbladder. It's one of the most commonly performed surgeries in the United States. The surgery is done in an operating room after you're given anesthesia. The gallbladder is an important organ, but you can live without it. Removing the gallbladder does not usually cause serious complications. However, about half of people who have their gallbladder removed develop loose stools, gas, and bloating, and most people, these symptoms are mild, don't require treatment, and improve with time. Stick around for some of my favorite gallstone images. But first, please check out this important message. Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Phinergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Phinergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Phinergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.